Coming up next here is Billy Bounds on his little farm-old cub. Nice quiet. Jerry Bays on his 88 diesel standard. Todd Weber on a beautiful John Deere 50. I do believe this is probably his family, his dad on a 60. Got a John Deere AR coming up here also. I think that's part of the Wiley boys. There comes some more of the guys. Farmall A, Massey Ferguson, Gene Castens on his Ferguson. Wiley 420, John Deere 730. All these tractors look beautiful. Joe Cardinal on his Alice Chalmers C. Thurman Bartley on his president of our club in all of his glory. Farmall and some of our riders. John Smith, 1941 Farmall M. These are members of our club, and their trailers is going to be only going to go part way. David Grail with our disaster trailer here for anybody that can't make it. Part of our group here. And that is it. We are just getting started now. We've only been on the road maybe for about a mile. That is the wife of Billy Bounds driving by.